It is week 14 of GoMining's Miner Wars. As you can see, they have a 10% discount on a miner creation right now, lasting for 6 days. All you gotta do is click on it, and it automatically applies your discount to whatever miner you're creating, whether it be a 1 terahash miner for only $25 now, or a 5,000 terahash miner, and you're saving a few $1,000. So check that out. So far, we have mined a total of 0.016760005 Bitcoin, and at the current price of $96,736, we have made $1,621.30 back. The pool reward for last week was $144.90. Because I didn't have enough GMT in my wallet, it used the pool reward to pay for the electricity and service fees. So my total reward in the end was $66.96. Not bad at all compared to the last week, or even the week prior. The reason the pool reward was pretty good this week is because we were able to mine one block last week with only about 200 to 300 terahash in the pool, and because of that, everyone that was in there got a very, very good payout. I was the one that ended up winning the personal block, so I got 294 GMT out of that, and that 294.81 GMT I got was about $140. So with a Bitcoin payout of $66.96 and a GMT payment of $140.76, last week's total payout was $207.72, and my current ROI on investment is 53.77% after only 11 months. For a quick breakdown, you can see how much I've put in, which is $3,815.80. Total rewards in Bitcoin is $1,616. Total rewards in GMT is $436.09. Added together, that's $2,052.09. Divided by 1% of my investment, that equals 53.77. So 53.77 ROI after only 11 months is one of the best things I've ever seen so far. I'm hoping to get to at least 60% ROI after 1 year in total, which will be next month. If you're still looking to get into Bitcoin mining, feel free to use the link in the description to buy your first 1 terahash miner. And if you're looking to get into Miner Wars, feel free to join my clan. It's completely open to the public. We were able to win one block last week, and currently we have won another block this week. Also feel free to join the Telegram. We are active in there every day, and happy mining.